Ahmed, give me a little Farid. It's filming now.
Je vais faire ça dans les deux langues. We'll do both languages, French and English. I'll start with French. So, lorsqu'Edouard m'a demandé d'être son garçon d'honneur, j'étais très ému et j'étais très content parce qu'Edouard, il a beaucoup d'amis et il est très proche avec ses cousins, avec ses amis. Alors, je sais qu'en me choisissant, c'était une décision difficile, puis je suis très reconnaissant. Je connais Edouard depuis que je suis très jeune, depuis qu'on a au secondaire, 12 ans, 13 ans, on a grandi ensemble. Edouard est toujours souriant, toujours content, toujours de bonne humeur, mais depuis qu'il a rencontré Sarah, il sourit encore un peu plus, il est encore de meilleure humeur. Comme vous avez vu dans le vidéo, c'est exactement comme ça que ça s'est passé. Elle a passé à côté de moi. Edouard m'a pris, hey, papa, c'est qui ça? C'est Sarah, voyons. Il dit, non, c'est qui? Je dis, c'est une amie de la famille, ça fait longtemps que je la connais. Il dit, non, je dois la connaître. Et après 2-3 heures de vin, il a eu le courage d'aller lui parler. 4 ans et demi plus tard, nous sommes ici. L'amour, c'est une belle chose, c'est difficile de trouver notre âme sœur. Alors, je suis persuadé qu'Edouard et Sarah ils ont trouvé leur âme sœur l'un dans l'autre. Alors là, la partie, j'ai respecté la loi 101, alors je suis sujet à l'envers. So I'm the best man, emphasis on best. Thank you. So I know Eddie since we're very young, since high school, so we've grown up together. And when he asked me to be his best man, I was very touched because I know Eddie he's very close to his family. He has a lot of friends, so for him to choose me, I know it was a difficult decision, and I'm very appreciative for that. So yeah, I grew up with Eddie. I've seen him grow up. We've grown up together. Eddie's always a fun-loving guy, always in a good mood, always happy, always smiling. And ever since I met Sarah, he smiled a little bit more. His smile is a little bit bigger. He's in a little better mood. So I know that fateful night 4.5 years ago, that crazy night, they were meant to go out in that blizzard and meet each other. So usually at this point of the best man speech, this is where the best man embarrasses the groom with crazy stories. I'm not gonna tell you about the time where I had to drive Eddie at 5 a.m. to the hospital because he drank too much, or about all our crazy water polo practices and what happened there, and that crazy night in Vegas, that crazy weekend in Vegas. That was just sorry, buddy. All right, so at this point, I'm just gonna ask the bride and groom to stand up, please. I'm just going to go though. Sorry, the beans on the Vegas. Alright, so I'm going to ask Sarah to put her hand above my hand. Any hand. Right would be easier. Okay. And I would ask Eddie to put his left hand above Sarah's hand. Alright, so Eddie, this is the last time you're going to have the upper hand. So enjoy it. Enjoy it, and also all jokes aside, I know true love is hard to find, and I really believe that Eddie and Sarah are found each other's soulmates. So we don't have any glasses, but if you could maybe we'll do a toast later for Eddie and Sarah, and double kiss. All right, let's go. I know this is just the first chapter of many big events that come in their lives. So, alright, I think he's hitting the right. So, thank you. I love you, Sarah.